What's up guys, it's your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop. Now I know I have not done a video in a while, but I've been super busy with trading and just life in general, guys. So I apologize for that. But you know what? As you know, I am in this amazing opportunity called Pip Logic automation. Some of you, my subscribers, are with me in this opportunity. Some of you may not have joined, whatever the case is. But anyway, Piplogic, I joined roughly about in March, sometime in March. It's been doing really well for me. As you can see, the gross profit on this is about a little over $2,000. And my allocated capital was, I think, around like 700 or something like that. But yeah, it's been doing really well for me. They have recently migrated from Pambridge, which was the platform that they're using for basically copy trading, over to Lirunex, which is the broker that they're now using. So I'm going to show you, the purpose of this video is really to show those of you that, had joined, how to now move your account over to Lirunex. And if you're new to hearing about this and you're interested in joining and having somebody trade your account, and this is your personal funds, guys. This is not for prop firms. But if you're new to this and you want somebody to kind of trade your personal accounts and make gains for you on it, then, I'll show you how to get started as well. Okay, so they make, typically with Lirunex now, they're aiming to make about 60% a month in profit, which is amazing, because they got this EA that they're going to be plugging in, aside from also their the team of experts that are manually trading. So they've got a team of experts manually trading, and they've also got the EA that's going to be plugging in and trading for us, making us money. Okay, all right. So yeah, if you're interested in joining or whatever, just send me a Telegram message, or you can just follow these steps to plug in. But if you're already in, then I'll show you how to migrate your account over from here over to Lirunex, and how to set that up. Okay, so first thing you want to do, you see here it says pending withdrawal, because I've already done this steps. Okay, but first thing you want to do is, once you're logged in, just go over here to this icon here and click on master accounts. And now you're going to see like a purple icon. That's what you're going to click on to withdraw. Okay, so there should be an option here that you will see under Pip Logic for withdraw if you're already plugged in. All right, so if you already, kind of on board with Pip Logic and on Pambridge, then you will see this icon here, and it will give you that option to withdraw. So what this does is, once you click withdraw, you put in your full amount of invested capital, okay, to withdraw it back into your wallet on Pambridge. Okay, so once you do that, you're gonna click again the purple icon thing. You're gonna click it, and then you're going to put in the amount that you're looking to withdraw out of this Pip Logic copy signal thing. And then once you do that, it will go back on. If I go back to the dashboard, it's going to go into here, your wallet. Okay, so where it says under your balance, where it says your wallet, that those funds that you just withdrew from the copy trader will move over to your wallet. It takes roughly about 24 to 48 hours for that to happen. But once it's there, the next step you need to do is now withdraw it to your personal crypto wallet. Okay, so what you do after that is you click this icon here, and you're going to click on withdraw. So once you have the funds here where it's showing under your wallet, you're going to click this. Then you're going to click on withdraw, and you're going to click on withdraw again. Okay, you're going to put in the amount that you're withdrawing, and then you're going to select, I use BTC, so I'm going to select Bitcoin, and you put in your Bitcoin address, and you just click request. Typically it would take about 48 hours for it to process, 48 to 72 for it to process over to your crypto wallet. But yeah, once it goes over to your crypto wallet, then you can go ahead and register for Lirunex. I've got my link in the description below, so you can go ahead and register for Lirunex, so that you can, then I'll show you basically that next step. And if you're new, this is where you would start. You would start from registering on Lirunex. So let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so when you use the link below this video to register on Lirunex, this is the page that you're going to land on. Keep it individual, so you just need to register. Lirunex is a Forex broker, and that's how you're going to be able to copy Pip Logic's trades into your own personal account. okay, your own personal trading account. So what we need to do, you're going to have to register for the broker and then create a trading account. This works for anywhere in the country or anywhere in the world that you are in. Even if you're in the United States, you can still register for this broker. Okay, so this is a worldwide opportunity. All right, so you basically plug in your country of residence. You would enter your email address so that you can receive the one-time code to your email. And that code that you receive to your email after you click this button, you need to plug that code in here. Okay, so you put in your email address, you click this. You're going to receive a code to your email, copy that code, put it here, and then you're going to create your password, and then you're going to click this box that says, I confirm that I've read and understood and agree with the terms of conditions. Then you're going to click create account. Okay, so that's how you register for Lirunex. So now let me log into my Lirunex account and I'll show you the next step to do after that. Okay, so once you are registered, you need to do the KYC. I've already done that, so it's not going to ask me to do it, but you need to do the KYC. So make sure that you do the KYC, okay? So once you have completed the KYC, you're going to click on you're going to click on deposit because you need to deposit first, okay? So click deposit and then put in the amount you're going to deposit. Now, this opportunity to copy trade Piplogic automation requires a minimum of 500 USD. Okay, so you have to deposit 500 into Lirunex in order to have Piplogic trade your trading account. Okay, all right, so I put 500 and then keep it USDT. If you don't know how to send funds with USDT, TRC20 or ERC20, just reach out to me and I can explain how that works to you. But if you're familiar with crypto, you deposit using USDT. Okay. Okay, so from here, you're just going to go ahead and click confirm. So you deposit into your Lirunex wallet, okay? So I use TRC20, which is sending USDT over the Tron network, but you could use ERC20, which is sending USDT over the Ethereum network, but I use Tron, okay? So that means that you do have to have a little bit of Tron for gas fees, or if you use Ethereum, then you have to have a little bit of Ethereum in your wallet for gas fees. Again, if you don't understand what that is or how that works, send me a message on Telegram. My link is, my Telegram handle is below in the YouTube description, and I can sort you out. All right, so TRC20, and then you click submit. And then the next step, it will just basically give you the wallet address to send the funds over to. So that's how you do that. So assuming that the funds have now arrived at your Lirunex wallet, I'll show you what that looks like here. So once once the funds have arrived in your Lirunex wallet, is going to show here $500 or whatever the amount is. If you did 1,000, whatever the amount is that you deposit into your Lirunex account is going to show up here in this wallet balance. Okay, so once you have the funds there, you're going to have to create a trading account. So you have registered to the broker Lirunex. Now you need to create a trading account. So you click create account over here. Make sure that is selected to MT5. LX standard is fine. So MT5 is the one that you're looking for. Here for the account name, you can use any name you want, but I'll just put Pip Logic. Then put in the amount. So if you deposit 1,000, put in 1,000. If you deposited 500, put in the 500. Whatever this amount is that says that's in your wallet balance, that's the amount you want to put over here. Okay. So after you're done, basically put in the amount that you had deposited, you just click create account. I'm not going to do it because I've already done it. So you click create account, and then it's going to show you the trading account that you have created. Okay, so you're not going to need those credentials for anything, but just pay attention to the trading account number because you need it for the next step. So after you click create account, it'll show you what the trading account number is. Okay. So again, I've already done that step. That's why I'm not clicking on create account, but that's the step you need to do. So once you have your trading account created, you're going to go to social trading. And in social trading, you're going to go to the strategy name to search for Pip Logic. Okay, so once you search Pip Logic, you're going to see here Pip Logic automation, and you're going to click subscribe. Now, they are gearing up to start November 3rd. Depending on when you're seeing this video, it may already be past November 3rd, or if you're seeing it before November 3rd, that's when they're going to start. So that's when you're going to see, the profit and loss fluctuate here in terms of the graph. and you will see like how well they're doing here. But right now there's no data because they're going to be starting on Lirunex on November 3rd. But Pambridge, you see the data that I showed you that they're doing really, really well. Again, I've been plugged in with them since March and it's been doing amazing for me. All right, so you're going to click subscribe. Okay, and then you're going to scroll down to the bottom here and you're going to click on subscribe again. And again, the minimum investment is 500 USD. So you click subscribe and you will select the account. This is where I said you need to pay attention to the trading account number. I've already been using Lirunex, so I have multiple accounts on Lirunex, but for you probably only see one trading account number and that should have your balance, whether it's $500, whether it's $1,000, whatever you deposited into that trading account will reflect over here. Okay, so select your account, make sure the funds are reflecting, keep this proportional to balance, and then here 0.01 is what you're going to put here. Okay, so do it exactly like I did it there. You don't have to touch anything else. Check mark this box and click subscribe. Again, I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it again. You can see here that the profit split is 20% weekly. So at the end of the week, whatever profits they make for us, they get 20% of that, and we keep 80%. Okay, at the end of the month, they get a 2.5% as a management fee. All right, but they're aiming on Lirunex. They're aiming to do about 60%. Even if they only do like 40% or 30%. For the month, I'm still really, really happy with that because that is big gains, right? That's big gains. And as it compounds automatically, that turns into some very nice profits. Okay, again, this is not financial advice. You can feel free to do whatever you want with your funds, but this is the way I choose to invest my money. And this is a really, really great passive income stream for me. So once you click subscribe, somebody will approve you over on Pip Logic side. Message me on Telegram and I'll show you how to get added to the VIP Telegram group for this. Okay, so once you have clicked subscribed over here, just message me on Telegram. Let me know that you have done subscribing and I'll show you how to get access to the Telegram group for this. Okay, so they're getting ready to get started trading November 3rd. So next week. So yeah, make sure you get set up and plugged in so that you can start receiving those trades. And if you have any questions, reach out to me on Telegram. All right, God bless.